to these type of space heaters, 1500 watts on high. When it's at maximum fire going in there, or good size fire. And this, I'd say it's pretty close to that. I mean, it puts out a lot of heat. When it's really going, you can't have your hand 2 feet next to it. You gotta be like way out here. It's like super hot. It's really nice extra heat. And note the tubular design on this. There's a whole bunch of tubes, right? Versus the other brand, it's only like 4 tubes, and they're just in the center. But heat radiates like it kind of bubbles out. So having the side tubes makes a huge difference long term and short term too. I didn't try the cheaper brand, but I compared the designs, and you compare the designs yourself too. But yeah, consider the other one is a lot cheaper. It just has a few center pipes, and the fan isn't as powerful. There's a nice built-in fan, and this one has an extra blade, and it goes a little faster. And it has an automatic mode. For this year, man, this is a game changer. It saves thousands of dollars in heating bills right here. And also with this brand, this is the only one I know of that was under Ryder Laboratories tested to put out, I think it was 200,000 BTUs is the exchange rate. It's about 30% extra heat you get from your fireplace, they say. That really adds up.